Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Want to make buying your new car faster, easier, and more enjoyable? You've come to the right place. That's because you can now calculate your payments, value your trade-in, and even apply for financing right here through our secure website on every device you use. This simple online experience means that once you get to the dealership, you'll be able to review and sign your deal quickly and more confidently. So give it a try, because it's time to buy cars the new way, your way.